Speaking to Norman Baker, who is President and Managing Executive Business and General Aviation for Turboprops for General Electric. Thank you very much for speaking with me.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about GE's interest in the ag market, turboprop market.
Yeah, so look, we're very interested in the agricultural market and the turboprops that we produce in the H-Series engines and also now leading into our new advanced turboprop and what it can do for the marketplace here in the agricultural industry. Frankly, the productivity that we drive into the spraying applications, from the efficiency of the engine, the operability of the engine, the simple maintenance, the lower cost solutions, we think that we offer a very good value package to those who are operating airplanes like this Thrush aircraft, the 510G, in aerial spraying applications.
In terms of the industry, what do you think is in your experience, what has been the key driver? For example, with this particular airplane, you have an engine choice. Why would someone choose the GE?
Look, I'll start with performance. This engine and this airframe combination is the best solution out there. It performs extremely well. It's very low maintenance cost. It's supported very well. And frankly, we continue to invest in our products year over year over year. We're not resting on our laurels at all. We're in this industry to stay. And we mean business in the turboprop market. And so an example of that is we just announced that we reached EASA certification and we're working on FAA validation now for the very first electronic engine and propeller control integrated system, which we will be rolling out on the Thrush aircraft as well as the launch platform, which is a Nextant King Air C90 conversion. And this combines the engine operation and the propeller operation into a single lever power control, which is a first in this industry and first in the turboprop industry. So we're pretty excited about that.
If we look 5 years ahead, in terms of GE and this business, where do you see the technologies in engines and airplanes?
Look, I think the basic technologies of engines are what they are. I think where we're seeing improvements is driving lower maintenance solutions for the engine. We see a lot of benefit in providing better digital solutions to minimize the operating costs and keep the engines on wing longer and extend the life of them. And we see improvements in materials and things that we're doing within the engine. This engine has a lot of technology improvements that we were able to harness from the broader GE business, GE envelope, whether it be 3D aero designs or better compressibility to driving lower cost solutions like no hot section inspection on this engine because of the designs that we have in there. So we're going to continue to do that. The other thing I think we're going to continue to do is continue to drive the life extensions of our parts and components. Some of the parts in the engine now are up to 50,000 cycles, as an example, because we continue to invest in bringing the field experience back into what the product is doing from an enhancement perspective.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.